देखिए, जैसे आप मेरे पीछे देख सकते हैं, आपको एक ग्रैंड स्टेज दिखेगा जहां पर आज ही 7 बजे से लाइव कॉन्सर्ट होने वाला है नन अदर देन सचेत परंपरा का, जो कि म्यूज़िक इंडस्ट्री का एक बहुत बड़ा नाम है, पावरफुल कपल है और दोनों की परफॉर्मेंसेज आपको मिलेंगी आज ही 7 बजे से। एक बार मैं फिर आपको बता दूं, सचेत परंपरा दोनों पावर कपल हैं, दोनों बेहतरीन सिंगर हैं और आज की शाम को बिल्कुल ऐतिहासिक बनाने, चाहे भक्ति का रंग हो और उसमें आपके लिए थोड़ा फ्यूजन मिक्स होगा। एक बार फिर से चलते हैं हमारे नेटवर्क के एमडी सर के पास। सर, मेरे सवाल तो आपसे ख़त्म होने वाले नहीं हैं, लेकिन मैं ये जानना चाहूँगी कि हर बार अलग तरीके के डीजेज आर्टिस्ट आते हैं, गरबा नाइट होती है, जिस तरीके का फ्यूजन हमें इस पंडाल में देखने को मिलता है, अगर इफ़ करेक्ट मी इफ़ आई एम रॉन्ग, ये मुझे इंडिया में मुझे नहीं लगता कि ऐसा कहीं होता होगा।
कहीं ना कहीं तो होते हो गए, बट what I can say that this is, as I said, that it's a mixture of everything. And this scale, if you see the scale of this evening concert, we have about space for about 5,000 people, 6,000 people coming, and 10,000 people. So it is going to be a completely different experience in the evening. And you see the scale again, that there is no compromise, there is no cutting corners. Everything is at its best. It's the sheer size, the sheer impact. It's going to be mind-boggling.
मुझे ये कहना तो नहीं चाहिए, पर सर ये सच्चाई है कि पूरे मीडिया नेटवर्क में अगर फेस्टिवल ऑफ इंडिया कोई सेलिब्रेट करता है तो वो सिर्फ TV9 नेटवर्क है। इसकी एक बार विक्रम जी मैं आपसे जानना चाहूँगी कि जो शुरुआत हुई, उस शुरुआत में क्या ये कभी जहन में आया कि कोई मीडिया नेटवर्क इस तरीके के कल्चरल एक्टिविटी, मतलब वो समिट्स तो करते हैं, कॉन्क्लेव करते हैं, लेकिन इस तरीके के कल्चर को यूनाइट करके और एक ग्रैंड लेवल पर पूजा आयोजन करना और तमाम चीज़ें, इसका आइडिया किस तरीके से हमारे नेटवर्क?
नहीं, एज वरुण जी सेड कि काफ़ी मीडिया हाउसेस इसके पहले भी कर चुके हैं, बट 3,50,000 स्क्वायर फीट में करना कोई छोटी बात नहीं है, पॉइंट वन। सेकेंड पॉइंट इज़ to get all the elements like shopping, kids zone, then Ma Durga ka pandal, then concert, Garba night, Dandiya night, and over and above all this we have multiple things to get kids and women engaged. Like, we have a Rangoli competition, and it is not only people walking in.
You also have this auto zone and all, right? There's a big exhibition.
We have a big auto zone, like, you have somebody like a Royal Enfield participating, then you have somebody like a Honda participating. Likewise, you take mobile companies, you take electronic gadgets, international shopping, and we have almost about 16 countries participating here with all their stuff. People don't have to travel to those countries to shop. Dashera, Diwali, you can come, take darshan, eat your food, shop for your Diwali, and this one platform, 360 degrees is what we can say.
So you saw that's a concert zone. Then you come here. This is where the puja pandal, which is now covered. We are going to inaugurate the puja. First puja is at about 4 o'clock, 4:30 today. So that we call in Bengali Shoshti Bodhon. Today is Shoshti, the first day of puja.
What that means?
Shoshti is sixth, Navratra 6th day. So Bengali Durga Puja starts with Shoshti and then ends with Dashami. So today is the first puja. So you have that concert, you have a puja, then you move into your shopping zone, then you have this kids play zone, then you have flea market. This is an amazing thing which Vikram and his team has put together.
सर, वन क्वेश्चन टू यू कि जब नवरात्रे होते थे, आपके बचपन की कुछ ऐसी याद है जो आप मिस करते हैं और 2025 में वो आप कहीं ढूंढने की कोशिश करते हैं?
एक तो है, मैं एक ऐसे आदमी हूँ, लाइक नॉर्मली आई नेवर स्टे इन द पास्ट. I always believe that I don't live on my memories from the past. I just take the learning, I apply it to future. But that's too cut and dried. But if you have to ask me to go down the memory lane, Kolkata Pujo is something which till about last 5-6 years back I was always missing. I've not been able to be in Kolkata Puja for last 25 years or so. But the whole festivity, everybody is happy. Just being there, it'll lift you up. And then also puja is, those who don't know, is a source of, a major source of GDP generation for that state as well. So that therefore I miss that festivity of being there. I mean, there's a dark sound there. There's a chanting happening there. You just be there. You feel happy.
सर आप अपनी मेमोरी अगर कुछ शेयर करना चाहें.
I would say my memory would be here refreshed. No, it's a wonderful thing because yeah, like a family coming here, they can absolutely spend 3 to 4 hours. मतलब, you don't have to pay anything. You come, you relish, remove your tensions here. माँ दुर्गा का दर्शन कर लीजिए, आशीर्वाद लीजिए. Everything is going to be fine.
Lovely. See, let me tell you guys, this is the sign of the successful man. All these tips are very important, I am sure. So one more question. What is your favorite food during Navratri?
I'm very fond of Bengali food. So all these pujas have Bengali bhog, and we Bengalis, we have both veg and non-veg during puja. But the Bengali veg bhog, that is something amazing, and I love that.
Just to add to that, it's not only Bengali cuisine what you get here. All the 28 states cuisine is served here.
Wow, lovely guys. So this is national, this is international, this is grand, full of masti, full of fun, full of learning, and also full of tradition, culture. And if you have all the faith in Shakti, you will definitely have to come to Major Dhyan Chand Stadium to have it to the fullest. Do not miss. मैं एक और बार आपको बता रही हूँ, इसकी लोकेशन है मेजर ध्यान चंद स्टेडियम.